morning once again, XOP. This morning I'd like to share from the scriptures, Galatians chapter 6 verse 2. It says, carry each other's burdens. In this way, you fulfill the law of Christ. Indeed, in this time that we have now, there are many troubles. There are many people who have been carrying so heavy burden, so much troubles in life. We need to carry and help them carry their burdens so that they can indeed pursue in living. And it is one way that the Lord is allowing us to help them so that we can express God's love unto them. I remember that saying, no man is an island. Indeed, we need one another. How can we do this? In the time that people or person that you know needs support, we can encourage them. We can listen to them. We can give them godly counsel and wisdom from God. Or even to the point that we can share what we have, the little things that we have, like food or other things that we have that we can share to them to lighten their loads or their problems. If we can do this, indeed, we are doing the will of God unto others. Remember that when we carry each other's burden, number one, it demonstrates God's love through us. It demonstrates God's love through us. In 1 John 3:16, the word says, Jesus gave his life to us because of his great love. In these times, we Christians, we become, or we must become, the source of strength for others, the source of love to be shared unto others. Second, when we carry each other's burdens, we become a connector. What does this mean? When we meet somebody who needs help, we are there willingly helping them. Not only helping them physically, but also helping them spiritually, so that we can connect them to God. We are in between a person who is troubled and on the other side, God. So we become a connector. We connect the people and tell these people, hey, there is a God who loves you, and there is a God who carries you, and there is a God who will never neglect or abandon you. May this message remind us that once again, we are here to show God's love to other people, and we become a connector to God. These people needs God. Let us connect them to God. God bless us all. Good morning.